Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Dubai French toast. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 thick slices of brioche bread, 1 large egg, and 50 milliliters of whole milk. Don't forget about 15 grams of granulated sugar and a small pinch of ground cinnamon. For toppings, consider fresh berries, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a dusting of powdered sugar to elevate your dish. Now, let's prepare the batter for our French toast. In a shallow dish, whisk together 1 large egg, 50 milliliters of milk, and 15 grams of granulated sugar until everything is thoroughly combined. Add a small pinch of cinnamon to the mixture. This adds a wonderful warmth. Make sure the batter is smooth and lump-free, creating the perfect base for soaking our brioche. Next, it's time to cook our French toast to perfection. Carefully dip each slice of brioche bread into the prepared batter, allowing it to soak for about 30 seconds on each side to ensure full saturation. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Place the soaked bread in the pan and cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and slightly crispy. Finally, it's time to plate and enjoy your exquisite Dubai French toast. Carefully arrange the golden brown slices on your serving plate. Now, get creative with your toppings. Drizzle with maple syrup, sprinkle with powdered sugar, and add a handful of fresh berries for a burst of color and flavor. For an amazing reading experience, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. This dish is perfect for a luxurious breakfast or a delightful brunch. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.